Our Nancy B line of scientific tools and real-life journaling activities provide hands-on science experiences that get kids comfortable and excited about science, giving them the confidence to pursue science further in school and in life. Scientific experiences designed for kids ages 8 to 11 years. Microscope and Activity Journal includes 40-plus piece dual microscope. 2 LEDs transform the dissecting microscope into a light microscope, with magnification from 30x to 400x and 22-page journal including activities and space for drawings, such as examining cells, looking at crystals, observing bugs, and viewing critters in the water. Requires 3 AAA batteries. Small parts. Not for children under 3 years. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 400x microscope for kids. Zoom in on the fun with this 2-in-1 light and dissecting microscope, and 22-page keepsake activity journal. Requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. Number 2. Supports STEM learning, through scientific exploration and hands-on experience with a key scientific tool. Children can follow the activity guide to collect their specimens, then get amazing, up-close views magnified up to 400x. Number 3. Everything beginners need to be included. Includes 30 by -400x light and dissecting microscope with rubber eye cup and focusing knob, 26-piece scientific toolset, and 22-page activity journal. Number 4. Multiple award winner. This best-selling set is the winner of the Parents' Choice Gold Award and Family Fun magazine's Best Toy Award. Number 5. At-home learning activity. Makes a great activity for kids to stay engaged, entertained, and learning outside of the classroom. We are dedicated to providing resources that keep your kids learning and having fun while at home. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the light turn off by itself if left on? Answer. The microscope has a button to turn the light on, off. Question number 2. Would you recommend this for a 5th grader? My 10-year-old daughter has been wanting one and I'd like to get her one for Christmas. Answer. This is perfect for a 5th grader. It comes with an extensive journal with great activities for her to tackle. Question number 3. Are the prepared slides glass or plastic? Answer. They are plastic. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.